If you're tired of frying pans that just don't last, this GraniteStone Armor Max 10-inch non-stick frying pan might be the cookware upgrade you've been searching for. Known for its hard-anodized, ultra-durable surface and unbeatable non-stick coating, GraniteStone Armor Max promises easy cooking and cleaning with quality that's built to last. In this review, we'll dive deep into everything that makes this frying pan stand out, so you can decide if it's the right fit for your kitchen needs. Why choose GraniteStone Armor Max? Let's start with why GraniteStone Armor Max has become so popular among home cooks and professional chefs alike. This pan combines heavy-duty construction with advanced non-stick technology, making it a reliable option for everyday cooking. Here are the core features that truly make it a standout choice. 1. 4-layer non-stick coating. No more sticking. With GraniteStone Armor Max, you'll enjoy a smooth cooking experience thanks to its 4-layer non-stick coating. This advanced coating allows food to slide right off without the need for excessive oil or butter, which means healthier meals and an effortless cleanup. Whether you're cooking eggs, sautéing vegetables, or searing meats, the ultra-slick surface ensures that nothing sticks, giving you perfectly cooked results every time. Imagine flipping an omelette without the frustration of it sticking to the pan. That's the kind of experience GraniteStone Armor Max offers. 2. Hard-anodized aluminum construction. Built to last. What makes this pan so tough? It's made from hard-anodized aluminum, a material that's stronger and more durable than stainless steel. This tough exterior ensures that the pan is resistant to scratches, dents, and other wear and tear that regular cookware faces. Plus, it's built to withstand up to 10,000 dishwasher cycles. Talk about low maintenance. If durability is a priority for you, this pan is designed to serve you for years to come. 3. Health-conscious design. Safe and eco-friendly. GraniteStone Armor Max is crafted without harmful chemicals like PFOA, PFOS, lead, or cadmium. This means you can cook with peace of mind, knowing that you're not exposing your food to potentially dangerous substances. It's a great choice for families looking to create a toxin-free, eco-friendly cooking environment. 4. Stay cool handles. Comfort and safety combined. The pan's stainless steel, riveted stay-cool handles are ergonomically designed for easy handling, even during high-heat cooking. These handles make it safe to grip the pan without burning your hands, adding another layer of convenience and safety, whether you're a lefty or a righty. 5. Induction-compatible and oven-safe. One of the biggest advantages of the GraniteStone Armor Max frying pan is its compatibility with all cooktops, including induction. Additionally, this pan can be used in ovens up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, providing versatility that many home chefs appreciate. Whether you're starting a dish on the stovetop or finishing it off in the oven, this pan is built to handle it. What sets GraniteStone Armor Max apart? Beyond its durability, this frying pan has several performance features that make cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Here's how it fares in some key areas. 1. Quick and even heating. GraniteStone Armor Max heats up quickly and distributes heat evenly across its surface, preventing annoying hotspots that lead to uneven cooking. This feature allows you to achieve that perfect sear or a golden, crispy crust every time. The single-sheet construction ensures that heat is conducted uniformly from edge to edge, making it ideal for delicate tasks like frying eggs or creating caramelized finishes on meats and veggies. No more guessing or shifting your food around. GraniteStone Armor Max delivers consistent results from end to end. 2. Metal utensil safe. No worries about scratches. Thanks to its ultra-durable non-stick coating, GraniteStone Armor Max can withstand metal utensils, meaning you won't have to worry about scratches or damage from spatulas, whisks, or spoons. This makes it a convenient choice for a busy kitchen, where you might not always have time to switch to a softer utensil. 3. Easy cleanup. Wipe it down or toss it in the dishwasher. This pan's non-stick surface isn't just for cooking. It also makes cleanup a breeze. Most foods release so easily that a simple wipe with a damp cloth will do the trick. For an even easier solution, GraniteStone Armor Max is dishwasher safe, so you can simply load it in after a meal and let the dishwasher do the work. Final verdict: should you buy the GraniteStone Armor Max frying pan? If you're looking for a non-stick frying pan that delivers excellent performance, durability, and easy cleanup, GraniteStone Armor Max is a fantastic choice. Its high-quality construction, paired with a 4-layer non-stick coating and dishwasher-safe design, makes it a top pick for home cooks and professional chefs alike. Plus, its compatibility with all cooktops and oven safety up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit means you can rely on it for a wide range of cooking techniques. With a 10-year limited guarantee, GraniteStone Armor Max offers the peace of mind that your investment is protected. This pan promises years of cooking enjoyment without the hassle of stick-prone surfaces or difficult cleanup. So, if you're ready to elevate your cooking game, GraniteStone Armor Max is a purchase you won't regret. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.